This is particularly concerning in the legal field, where fairness and impartiality are paramount. Section 5. Real-world applications, AI lawyers in action. Despite the challenges, AI is already making its mark on the legal profession. AI-powered tools are being used by law firms, corporations, and courts to streamline legal processes and improve efficiency. For example, some law firms are using AI to review contracts, identify potential risks, and even predict the outcome of litigation. In addition to these applications, there are also several examples of AI lawyers that have been developed. These systems, while not yet capable of replacing human lawyers entirely, can provide basic legal advice, assist with legal research, and even represent individuals in certain types of legal proceedings. Section 6. The future of law, a collaboration between humans and machines. The future of law is likely to involve a collaboration between human lawyers and AI systems. AI will not replace lawyers altogether. Instead, it will augment their capabilities, allowing them to work more efficiently and effectively. Lawyers will need to adapt to this new reality by developing new skills and embracing the potential of AI. This collaboration will enable lawyers to focus on the most human aspects of the law, understanding their clients' needs, providing strategic advice, and advocating for their rights in court. The legal profession will continue to evolve, but the fundamental role of lawyers in upholding justice will remain unchanged. Section 7. Conclusion. Navigating the evolving legal landscape. The emergence of AI in the legal field presents both opportunities and challenges. While AI has the potential to make legal services more efficient, affordable, and accessible, it also raises concerns about job displacement and the potential for bias. The key to navigating this evolving legal landscape is to embrace the potential of AI while remaining mindful of its limitations. The future of law is not about replacing lawyers with robots. It is about harnessing the power of technology to create a more just and equitable legal system for all. By embracing collaboration and innovation, we can ensure that the legal profession continues to serve the needs of society in the 21st century and beyond.